always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never get...
Welcome back, guys, and yes, you've read the title correct. We are doing KFC barbecue chicken, right? Jamaican KFC barbecue. And here we have our leg and our thigh, and we have our salt and pepper and our onion and garlic powder mixture, right? So guys, let's just jump right into this. So we're just going to scooch this over just a little bit. Yes, guys, and now we're gonna add our garlic and onion powder mixture to this flour.
Yes, guys, 13.
Salt and pepper.
And if you follow this recipe, can't go wrong. You know,
yes,
the strips.
guys.
Now we're gonna stir up this. Get everything in all in one. You understand? So just go and watch what I go on. Don't go nowhere. We'll soon come again while also reach back.
Yes, guys, stir up this, get everything incorporated and mixed properly. Yes, guys, right?
And remember to taste the mixture. You have to taste the mixture, guys.
Yes, guys, to know the level of salt that you're working with, and drop it down in the comment section if you've watched any of our KFC or Popeye's video before. So guys, you're just going to can heap up a little bit like this. Yeah, taste your mixture. Good. Salt content is great. Yes, guys, so that's good.
So right now we're gonna get the water and come right back at you, so we soon forward.
Yes, guys, and we are back, and chicken is once more here, and we have our flour mixture that we just made and our water.
And all we need is water, guys. You don't need no milk, you don't need no egg. So we're gonna bread this twice, or you can bread it one time, depends on the texture. But we want to have a nice crust, so we're gonna bread it twice. So
yes,
we're
guys,
moving forward right now, guys.
So let's go. And the chicken is not seasoned. Yes, KFC, the butter only is seasoned. So yes, guys, follow. When drop that there, flour him up, and you want to pack on the flour first. Feel me? And then you're going to shake off the excess, right? Look at that. I always do that to ensure that you check, right? Shake off the excess, or you can use this method, right? And in the water. Yes, guys. So now I'm just going to use the tongue to drain the water, drain the excess water, and back in that flour mixture again, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's what we want. Yes, guys.
So I'm going to catch a drift, guys. I'm going to catch a drift, so I catch on the back when I add this in the aisle.
Yes, guys.
So we soon forward.
Yes, guys, we have our oil at the right temperature, so we're just going to submerge these chicken thighs. Look at that.
Look at that, you see?
Beautiful.
Boil it and boil in the oil, guys. And
now,
that's what we want.
Time for the leg. Yes,
look,
guys. And we are going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. So forward again when we're giving it a check or remove. So forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at those bubbles. Yes, guys, so it's that time, and I'm going to give these a turn. Right? Are you guys seeing? Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, guys. Guys, fire heat hot, hot, hot. So next time you guys will be seeing us, it's removal time. So forward again.
It's about that time, guys, so I don't know what time it is.
Removal time. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Drain the excess oil, and you can place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Yes, guys, so we have a section back when we have butter. Sorry, not butter. Sauce up these, right? So forward.
Yes, guys, time to sauce it up.
1, 2.
Yes, guys, and remember this is a house-made barbecue sauce. I don't want the sauce too strong on it or too heavy, so we're gonna just
use our brush to brush it on.
we'll just put it in the sauce because you know so we want it maintain the heat.
Yes, guys,
and hold the
and
temperature.
absorb this barbecue, right?
So it's a crispy fried barbecue.
Look at that. Tell me if this dough looks scrumptious, guys. Drop it down in the comment section and tell me which part of the meat do you enjoy, what you like at KFC, the barbecue, the spicy, or the original.
And if you know so do a spicy, guys, and you can comment it down below.
Yes, guys, don't go nowhere. Ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers, because when we come back, a plating time.
Soon forward.
So forward.
Take a better look, guys, before we go.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Soon come again.
So forward. Yes, guys, start dropping those comments. Look at that juicy barbecue. Oh my god. Wow. Guys, we are giving you guys the recipe where you don't have to spend large amount of money to buy KFC in large quantities. You can stay at home and prepare it yourself. So nice. Get your serving of fries, your rice, your boiled food, whatever you want, and devour this, guys. Look at that. Looks really good, right? Thank you for being here, and we've come to the end of this video. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?